my channel. I hope you're doing okay. If you've just tuned in, it's currently chucking it down, so I'll keep it short and sweet. Today I'm at East Kirkby Airshow and enjoy the video. As you can tell from the intro, the weather was doing its best to show off what England has to offer, but I promise it won't be all rain and gloom once the aerobatics section of this video starts. Feel free to stick around to see what East Kirkby has to offer. Like the last video, I had company at this event, the company being my mum. She was the one who suggested coming to East Kirkby, so you can thank her for this video. When we arrived, the first thing we did was look around the main hangar. East Kirkby is known for its fascinating and unique Bomber Command exhibit, so of course that's where we started. The hangar is also home to the Avro Lancaster NX611, better known as Just Jane. It's also where you can see recovered aircraft along with their known and sometimes unknown backstories. Because it was quite busy, I didn't get a chance to look at each recovery in detail. However, the amount of information on each aircraft was astounding. I'd 100% recommend coming to East Kirkby if you have any family history in World War II aviation, because you never know, you might see a relative's name on their walls. Or just come to have a look around, you may even see Just Jane being restored. After looking around the hangar, it was at this point it started chucking it down. Luckily, East Kirkby had arranged some 1940s dancers to perform. Unfortunately, due to copyright, I'm unable to show the music they were dancing to, but I'll do my best to find some. I was particularly entertained by this couple here. They looked like they were really having a great time, and it kind of made me want to join in. Not that I can dance, but I'd certainly give it a go. Once the dancing was over, my mum and I went to check out the other outside and inside exhibits. Now, in one of these exhibits, there was a chance to try Morse code. I did attempt to spell PB for plain brain, but you'll have to decide if I was successful or not. Just as the airshow was about to begin, I set up my camera and tucked into the picnic my mum made. Anyway, I shall leave you now to enjoy the show. I've decided to edit this by aeroplane, so some clips may be out of order, but enjoy nonetheless.
Looks like it's in for a good run. Lower and lower and lower. Back to the flower if they manage to get the angle and the trajectory absolutely right. And away. What about the next one? Diving down. Lancers and Lancasters.
After the airshow was over, we had a nosy round the stalls we hadn't seen earlier and headed on home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!